A community once plagued by criminal activities is this evening taking a stand against violence against women and children. Residents of Warminster in Nain St. Elizabeth flooded the streets this morning in protest. Details in this report.
It's Father's Day, but the focus in Warminster this morning was women and children.
Jesus loves the little children.
Residents from the community and members of the security forces took to the streets in protest, calling for an end to violence. It's the second such protest in the parish in recent weeks. Demonstrators were out from as early as 6 a.m.
Every day I get up here a different case where children gone missing or a woman being murdered. It's time for us to stop that now. We cannot grow a community or a country without our female and our children.
Interestingly, Warminster has for years been a crime hotspot with recent reports of major drug busts, weapon seizures and robberies. But things have been turning around.
This community at some stage in the past wasn't the best reputational-wise. Yeah, we had a bad reputation for a little while that, violence and, even to the point of murder. And yes, and we'd like to go back to our older ways where, we look out for each other.
A goal they need help to achieve.
Warminster need people from outside to come back and help build our community, help keep away the violence, stop, the molestation of women and children.
In the meantime, the Jamaica Constabulary Force is renewing calls for persons to come forward and share information about any possible cases of domestic violence.
The community is encouraged to look out for these persons and to take care of them. We know different type of domestic abuse, and we always pay attention to the physical. But I must enlighten this morning, we have the financial, we have sexual, we have financial, amongst others. And the services we offer, they are available to you and you need to use it.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
The Labour Ministry has reached an agreement with Wholehearted Car Services Company in Ferry St. Catherine, popularly referred to as the Chinese Mechanics. The business establishment was closed a few months ago to facilitate an investigation by the government.
This was